Are you tired of creating designs in Canva only to find out they don't quite meet printing standards? Well, worry no more. I'm here to guide you through the simple steps to ensure your documents are print-ready. First things first, let's create our design with the right dimensions. Enter the specific dimensions you need for your document. Now, head over to the File settings. Here's a crucial step: make sure to check the option to show Print Bleed. This automatically adds bleed line around your canvas. Remember, the real size of your product is within the white dotted line, while the area outside is bleed. Next, it's time to add your materials onto the canvas. If you're using your own images or graphics, ensure they're at least 300 dpi for optimal print quality. As you design, extend your background to cover the bleed area. And keep all important elements within the white dotted lines to avoid any cropping issues during printing. Once your design is complete, it's time to prepare it for printing. Click on Share, then select Download and choose PDF Print. Make sure to tick the boxes for crop marks and bleed, and select CMYK as the color profile for accurate printing. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you now have a print-ready file that meets all the necessary standards. Go ahead, download your file, and get ready to see your designs come to life in stunning print quality.